Life rarely ever goes exactly as planned. Oftentimes, life will take you in a completely different direction to the path you intend to travel. But no matter what happens, have faith that in the end, not right now, but in the end, it will work out. Faith is believing it will happen. When there are no signs, it will happen. Faith is believing in your dream when no one else does. Faith is sitting in the middle of the storm of your life and still being able to close your eyes and picture the sunny skies. Still being able to feel the better days are coming despite the storm all around you. Now that's faith. Sometimes you need to risk it all for a dream only you can see. Have faith in your dream no matter what you have to sacrifice to get there, no matter how long it's going to take. I have faith this will work out in the end. Faith is taking the first step. Even when you can't see the whole path, trusting the rest of the path will reveal itself in time if you keep moving forward. Faith is stepping out there and having a crack when the conditions aren't perfect. If you wait for the conditions to be perfect, to go after things you want, you might be waiting forever. Einstein once said, only those who can see the invisible can achieve the impossible. You must have faith. What you are picturing in your mind will come to life. You must have faith the struggle will pass. You must have faith your time will come. Because when you believe in yourself, you are unstoppable. There is no greater asset than faith and believing in yourself. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Have faith, success will be near. Remember, it will not happen immediately, but just know that in time, it absolutely will happen. Long term is yours. Just keep believing and never lose faith. Faith is believing it will happen when there are no signs that it will happen. Faith is believing in your dream when no one else does. It is believing in yourself when no one else does, because sometimes you need to risk it all for a dream only you can see. It doesn't matter what happened in your past or you lose someone. It doesn't matter where you are right now or who you have been. If you have faith and a relentless desire to succeed, you can really achieve anything in this world. Have faith. You will be great and go get it.